In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync subitems across boards in monday.com. Start by heading to your monday.com home. From there, open the workspace where your boards live and choose the board you want to work with. Take a moment to confirm you're on the board that contains the parent items and subitems you care about, since all of our changes will happen here. Before we dive in, an important note: monday.com does not currently support syncing subitems directly across boards. That means subitems can't mirror or auto-update on another board out of the box. The reliable workaround is to connect the parent items across boards. This gives you a durable link between boards and sets you up to reference or mirror details later if you choose. On your board, add a new column by clicking the plus sign to insert a column. In the column library, search for Connect Boards and select the Connect Boards column. This column is designed to create a relationship between items on this board and items on another board. When the setup window opens, click Select Boards and pick the board or boards you want to connect to. Choose the boards that hold the related work you want to reference alongside your current items. After you've made your selection, confirm by clicking Connect Boards. If you're prompted to add a mirror column, choose I'll do it later. Skipping the mirror for now keeps things simple, and you can always come back to mirror specific fields once the connections are in place. With the Connect Boards column added, link your items. Click into the cell on the row you want to connect and a picker will appear. Browse to the target board and select the matching item. If your target board uses groups, open the All Items group and choose the correct item there. You'll see the link appear in the cell, confirming the connection. From this point on, you have a clean relationship between boards. While subitems won't auto-sync, you can jump to the connected item to view its subitems, keep parent records aligned between teams, and later decide if you want to mirror specific fields into this board. For best results, keep item names consistent across boards so connections are easy to find, and make sure teammates have access to the connected boards to avoid permission roadblocks. That's the process. You navigated to your board, acknowledged the subitem limitation, added a Connect Boards column, selected the boards to link, skipped mirroring for now, and connected the relevant items, choosing from all items when needed. Follow these steps and you'll have a dependable way to keep work aligned across boards while maintaining clarity around subitems.